Nike is set to revive the SBP Rod 1 in its nostalgic black, red, gray, and white Bred colorway, following the successful anniversary re-release of the white leather edition earlier this year. Maintaining its quilted details and signature glossy monogram, the shoe stays loyal to its original design, offering longtime fans an authentic throwback experience. The comeback not only reflects Paul Rodriguez's lasting influence on skateboarding sneakers but also underscores the continued relevance of early 2000s Y2K aesthetics in today's footwear culture. More than a style piece, the P-Rod 1 represents a blend of performance and legacy that helped shape Nike's skateboarding line. Priced at $115, the re-release will launch on September 13, 2025, via SNKRS, reigniting sneaker nostalgia while honoring 2 decades of Rodriguez's impact on skate culture through this iconic silhouette.